What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back with another video, and basically we are looking at a brand new bumper case, which is the most minimal I've seen for a long time. So for those of you who have seen other videos on Arc Pulse, this is my take on it and I think I love it. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Tell your friends it's not an affiliate link. I am just appreciating the design of the Arc Pulse just to share with you guys. So here we go. Basically, this comes on the newest iPhones as well. I'm using an iPhone 13 right now, and as you could see, it's just a beautiful minimalist bumper. It protects the sides, it keeps the screen lifted so that when you do put your phone facing down, it won't touch anything. And if you put it on the table, it won't touch the actual phone. It will just touch the bumper sides, and the back is lifted from that as well. The cameras are protected as well, which is really nice. Pretty much the essentials are covered here without breaking your investment, your phone. I love how just I can feel the stainless steel sides of the iPhone 13 Pro and also the glass back, which reminds me I like this design that the brand has. Again, it's not sponsored or anything. I just think that it's really cool that you'll be able to see kind of like the backbone of the iPhone 13 Pro. Pretty much you'll be able to see it would have the design of the internals of the iPhone 13 Pro. Pretty cool. I'll link this down below as well if you want to get one of these. They also have other designs, so make sure to check them out. The brand is a really good wrap. I would on every phone, maybe even on PS5s and different types of devices that you have, electronics, they all have it, even on Nintendo Switch. So go ahead and check them out. Here's another cool way to look at this. The Arc Pulse actually gives you a real wireless charging. It doesn't have to touch the table as well. It doesn't need to touch the wireless charging as well. I'll show you this right now. So here is my table here with the built-in Rise Deck charger. As you could see, I put my phone here, and the Arc Pulse actually lifts it off the table, and as you can see, there's air gap in between that, meaning the wireless charging that is not actually touching, and it's still charging the phone, which is amazing. I don't think any cases would do that. It's just one of the takes on the Arc Pulse. Awesome. And that's it for the day, everyone. Again, it's just a quick update. This is just my take on the Arc Pulse. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I think it's really nice. It does feel great on the hand. It makes your phone smaller, and I've never felt like the 6.1 iPhone is small before, but now because it doesn't have sidings, it doesn't have a bulky case, it feels really light and really small. You do come back on like appreciating the real design of the iPhone. It makes you realize how well it's built and how nice the feel of it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you everyone as well for giving me a lot of subscribers, inviting your friends over to just check out the channel. We've finally reached 60,000 and we're trying to reach 100,000 here, so just keep subscribing, keep telling your friends and family about the channel. I really do appreciate you guys because you guys are the one that really makes this happen. I'm just here to make videos, but really it's you guys that makes everything happen, so thank you so much. I will do a giveaway here soon, so that for my appreciation, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.